So you family, welcome to the other video of Qhali Brothers and Qhali Brothers YouTube channel. If you are new here in this YouTube channel, kindly click some red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe. Kindly click the bell for notifications so that you can be updated when I'm uploading my next videos. Okay guys, so or you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm at Kekeletso. Okay you guys, so today I posted, today it's I think it's the 30th of March. I posted this sticker I'm going to put over there. It was saying any assumptions about the Sotho guys. Okay you guys, I got a multiple of responses from you, and I didn't manage to just share them all on my this one. Okay, on my Insta stories. Okay you guys, so today I decided to do this video because I'm going to respond to all the stickers that were put there, to all the responses that were put on that sticker. Okay, the first one says they are talkative. They are talkative. I don't think that I'm talkative because I'm so too. I don't think I'm talkative. I'm an introvert person, and you know, I cannot talk too much during the people, you know. So they are talkative. I think you guys, your responses are based on the reaction that you got from other Sotho guys. Okay, ke rata the way ba buang ka gona, entle ke rata Sotho culture, but I'm a Swati guy. Yo guys, you know, I just like when someone acknowledges greatness, you know, that we are great, we are talking, so you know, we are cozy. Okay you guys, the other user say they are dribbled. They are dribbled. I think this user was trying to say that we are players, you know, we can play girls. You guys, I doubt if we play girls, but if that is the situation that you got from the Sotho, from dating the Sotho guy or doing what with the Sotho guy, you find them dribbling. But I think for myself, speaking for myself, I'm not that kind of a guy, so you know. Okay, another user wrote, lazy as F in all aspects. Lazy as F in all. Are we lazy? I doubt that we are lazy as Sotho. I doubt that we are lazy. If you are Sotho watching this video, you know that you cannot just linger around and taking some naps. Okay, let me not refer to other tribes. Anyway, that's her view, and I cannot just say anything about it. But I'm not lazy. For myself, speaking for myself, I'm not lazy. Okay, another user would write this: eat a lot and deep sleepers. What? Deep sleeper? Deep sleeper. Okay, maybe, yeah, we sleep during the night, obviously, and during the day, if we just put so much work so that we can just rest, sleeping for rest, not sleep just out of the blue and we decide to sleep. No, guys, come on. Okay, another user just wrote, just love them a lot, despite that they always wear blankets all day. Wear blankets. Oh, this one. I think I wear blanket, I wear blanket to show that I'm Sotho and I'm proud. You know, I wear blanket, but not all day, guys. If the weather is sunny, like this one of today, there's no one that can linger around with blankets, guys. Come on. Hi, how are you, guys? Come on. We just wear blankets for a cultural occasion that is happening at that place at that time, not just every day linger around wearing blankets. And anyway, you guys, don't take us serious. Okay, this phone. Okay, let's continue. Yo, warm-hearted beings and honest. 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 I know that we I know that we are honest, name as to guys, but warm-hearted and honest. Okay. Let me leave this one is because if I can try to elaborate on this one, I can just get everything wrong. Okay, you guys, thank you for this one, for the compliment. You know, when someone is giving the just the compliment out of the blue, you have to be grateful. You know, so I'm grateful for this compliment that I got. Although they genuinely love wholeheartedly, but they always have plan B. You guys know that during the game you must have plan B so that you can back up yourself. You know, in the relationship, that means in a relationship, if you are in a relationship with Sotho or Swat, I think this one does not apply only for Sotho. It applies for Sotho, but everyone do have this one. Okay, especially guys that I know, my friends, everyone does have plan B when is in the relationship. Guys, you must not be in a relationship not having plan B, you know, because if this person you are serious with, you can end up dating yourself. You know, you can end up having suicides that are not even important. You guys, when you are in a relationship, you must have plan B always. This one does not apply for Sotho only. Okay, you can't apologize when they are wrong. Can't apologize when they are wrong. Okay, guys, I think on this one, someone that is well grown, that is I don't know. I think someone that is well educated can automatically apologize when they find out themselves that they are wrong. I think, guys, this one does not apply only for Sotho. We apologize. Okay, this applies for all tribes, but if you are not educated well, you cannot apologize. But everyone who is matured here can apologize. You know, I'm telling you the truth. Okay, let's get into another. Yo guys, your comments. Okay, open-hearted. Okay, this is just wrote open-hearted. You know, when someone is open-hearted, is warm-hearted, just the person is good. So let me not elaborate a lot in this one. Okay, guys, I will not elaborate a lot on these compliments, but I will focus on the negativities because I'm so, you know, outside money spenders and don't care about kids. Okay, outside money spenders and don't care about kids. Okay, you guys, this one I'm not applying a lot because I don't have a kid and I don't spend my money outside, so this one does not apply to me. But as an spectator from another person looking at other Sotho guys' lives, I doubt that they are money spenders. Although they drink with friends, but they are not money spenders. They don't spend money easily, you guys. But Sotho ke magonata, you know. Sotho as cannot spend their money just easily as to give someone money. So you guys, I think this does not apply to me, and I cannot elaborate further, you know, with it because I never experienced it, you know. So yeah, I can agree and I can disagree, but you know, it depends, guys, of what kind of a person you meet. Even if it's Sotho, but we are different, you know, because we have varied. Okay, way too good in relationships. Okay, way too good in relationships. Yeah, I think I'm good in relationships. I think a lot of Sotho guys are good in relationships, but way too good in relationships. Yeah, way too good in relationships. We are good on relationships so much, but we cannot tolerate someone playing dice. Although we as Sotho guys, we have some of plan Bs, but we cannot tolerate someone having plan Bs in our relationship. That's the truth. If you know, you know. Okay, guys, let's get into another user wrote, too much alcohol addicts. Okay, you cannot find this one. Too much alcohol addicts. too much alcohol addicts. Okay, speaking from my point of view, yeah, a lot of Sotho guys do drink, but they are not addicted so much in alcohol. I think alcohol addict is not applying for only Sotho guys, apply for everyone, for every tribe. So we cannot base this one on Sotho, just apply for everyone in South Africa or everyone around the world. If a person decides to be alcohol addict, he or she will be addicted in alcohol. This is not someone that we plan as Sotho or something that we it's our habit. Everyone does have a addict if he or she decides to be addicted in that thing, or in alcohol. Self-centered is this phone. Okay guys, sorry. Or self-centered and don't care. Self-centered and don't care. Self-centered and don't care. Yeah, sometimes we are self-centered about our love, but if you have shown us some of the characteristics that we can read from you that you are not serious. I'm talking about the relationship. You cannot serious. You are not serious in this relationship we are in. We are so much protective of our love, and we are so much protective of people we love, and we protect everything that we love. So we are self-centered about the things that we love, and don't care. It says self-centered and don't care. We don't care about the people that don't care about us. I think that's the fact about us, Yes, so do guys. Okay, guys. Likely to sing out loud during the people and I think you guys are singing. In our tribe, we actually sing. We actually sing every time we have a cultural occasion. We do sing every time we are gathered together. We do sing, but we don't sing during the people, like in front of people in the town. You hear me singing, like no guys. No guys, don't take us for granted. No. Okay, Paradadijo. How can you live without eating? Come on, guys. How can you live without eating? That's the characteristic that everyone have to show anyway. How can you live without eating? Yeah, that. And everyone who is living in this earth, and unless you live in Jupiter or you live in Mars, but everyone who live in this planet, I know everyone does like food. They hardly forgive and forget. I think it depends. I think this one, it depends on how much you on I do forgive, I do forgive for real. I do forgive and I do forget. But if you just keeping me reminding that you unsense, I keep on that thinking about it, and but if at that same time and you don't repeat the same mistake, I do forgive, but I hardly forgive for someone that is keeping me updated that he or she has warned me. Okay, let's go into the other user. Okay guys, you will forgive me. This phone is locking itself, so I cannot read. Okay, stubborn and they can't vibe. Stubborn can't vibe. Yeah, we are stubborn. When we need to be stubborn, because if you keep someone close to you, and this person is telling you to do, like this person is controlling you every time, you'll just end up. Okay, you guys, I was just saying another user wrote stubborn and they can't vibe. Stubborn. Yeah, we are stubborn already. Okay, for real, we are stubborn, as I elaborated. But they can't vibe part. I think we can vibe. We can vibe for real, guys. We can vibe, and can vibe part. Hey, I think, guys, this is your own opinion, and I have to leave this one as like this, Okay, they are likely to listen to their mothers more than their wives. This one need me to breathe. Okay, guys, I believe. Okay, for one, I believe that a mother is a first lady. Okay, guys, as I was saying that I believe that a mother is a first lady, someone who raised you, who groomed you to be a man who you are today, or to be a woman who you are today. So I think the mother is someone that is special, that needs to be treated special. But although the love of a mother and the love of a wife cannot be like mixed together, wife have got her own love, and a mother have got her own love too. So this one, I think is false applying to me. I don't know to the other guys. Okay, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly click the red button somewhere below and can subscribe, guys. Okay, I love you so much, guys. To subscribe is for free. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you so much with all my heart, and kindly comment if what are your view about or what are your assumptions about the Sotho guys. You guys, I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account is at Kekeletso, and do not forget to check that handle out. I love you so much. Okay, you guys, do not forget that I am following everyone who is I'm following back everyone who is following me this week. So if you follow me and DM me that Kekeletso, I'm from Qhali's YouTube channel, and follow you back if you followed me. So you guys stay safe wherever you are in this coronavirus thing. I love you so much, you fam. Sharp.